Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, and if you're new here, hello, how are you doing? So today we welcome in our 2019, so happy new you, happy new year to you. Trying to get it all out in one there. And I thought I would just pop on and say happy new year, and also I realised that I did not complete the opening of the so we still have to open our Swarovski crystal advent calendar that I started just before Christmas. I opened a whole bunch of them and I wanted to open the rest, so we've got number 12 through to 24. So if you remember, we'd got our bracelet, and then we'd got all of these gems, which I'm pretty sure aren't Swarovski crystals at all. Really cute. And we also got this. Wait for it to pick up. There was that as well. I really liked that. That was very cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to put a little cheeky face mask on. I wanted to try these Moisture Bomb eye tissue masks. This is from Garnier and it's enriched with coconut water and hyaluronic acid. I thought I was gonna pop one of those on. Look at you, you're getting two for the price of one here. Let me just pop those on and then we will open the rest of our advent calendar. While I'm doing this, why don't you head down and subscribe to my channel. Oh, I'm gonna look like a superhero. So it comes on a little plastic thing. It's like, just like a tissue mask. I wouldn't say it smelled like coconut, but hey. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's so cold. Okay, it's fine once you get used to the coldness. These usually have quite a lot of excess liquid in the bag as well. Oh, it does say -4 degrees skin cooling effect. Visibly reduces fine lines, replumps eye contours. Beautiful. Right, so while that's doing, we're going to open this side. Keeps digging into my face. Right. So let's open number 12, shall we? You know, I know that Christmas has been and gone, but I thought you'd be interested in what else we got, and also the fact that you might have this and wonder if they're all the same. I do, so if you do have this, or you know someone who's had it, let me know. Right, so, oh, these are nice. These go with the necklace. It's a pair of earrings. So these look like crystal, they're very sparkly. You can see like the rainbow in them. I can't see any markings on them. They're cute and they will go with that necklace nicely. Number 13, which is down the corner. Number 13. Ooh, looks like we're on a roll now. Last time it was a bit rubbish, wasn't it? We kept on getting the same things for the charm bracelet. Oh, this is pretty. So this is another necklace And this does look as well like a Swarovski crystal. Don't take the mickey out the way I say it, I can't say it properly. So it's on a nice silver chain, like the other one, and like the earrings are on silver as well. And this does have the little hallmark, the 925, which was the percentage of silver. So that is very cute. I like that. Okay, and number 14, which is this one up here. Oh, thought it was too good to be true. We've got ourselves another little charm, charm bracelet. But to be fair, I think just those earrings and that by himself are worth what I paid for this. So another green one, at least this one has got the silver bit in the middle. We did have one, I think it was this white one here, that didn't have any of the inside bit. What one did we just open? 14, 15. So it looks like we've got another bit to go on our charm bracelet. Not sure what that is supposed to be. But it's nice. Weighs quite nice as well, actually. So just go on there. I'm just putting them in the order that I'd pulled them out of the bag. Right, number 16 down the bottom there. Looks like another pair of earrings. So they do all come in these little baggies. If you haven't seen the part 1 and you're still interested, that is on my channel. Oh, lovely. So another set of earrings. So these ones are in the shape of a heart. Our previous ones were like a round. Like the worst person to be able to describe the looks of things. So yeah, these ones are in the shape of a heart. These ones are obviously as well silver and super sparkly. So I must say this second round of opening is a lot more pleasing than the first time. Right, number 17. Oh, this is cute. See if I can get this out. This is super cute. It's to go on the charm bracelet, and it is a snowman. I'm not sure what that's got to do with a Swarovski crystal. There's nothing on there, even if it had like a little crystal on his button or something. But we now have a snowman. So we actually had a Christmas tree previously, and now we've got a snowman. Number 18. Looks like some more earrings. Same kind of style, but the cut of the crystal is a different shape. So these ones are, these are nice as well. These are triangles. I hope you can see these. These are a triangle. Number 19. Ah, this is interesting. So this is another white, oh I can't grab hold of it, white crystal for our charm bracelet, and this one doesn't have the silver bit in the middle either, so maybe it's not supposed to. Number 20. Ooh. I'm so mean. I'm having a peek before I show you now. This is another pair of earrings. Another pair of earrings? Are they earrings? Oh, excuse my belly. Oh, these are some danglies. Oh, they're cute. You see those? Right, number 21. There you go, you can have first peek. Looks like they're another pair of earrings. So definitely, like the first time, the first lot, so we opened 1 to 11 in part 1, and they were all the charm bracelets. And this lot, 11 to 24, seems to have been a lot more of the earring. Right, so these are rounded. Can you see them if I do that? So these are round crystals. See, if I got some of these in the first go, I would have been a lot more happier, and I probably would have opened this a lot more sooner. Number 22. Oh, another thing for our charm bracelet. This looks like, or it is, a heart. So a little heart. There's a little hole there. We'll add that on to our bracelet. 23. Oh, some more earrings. I'm loving these earrings, honestly. Okay, so these are square. So these are cut into a square. Okay, and last one, number 24. You can have a look first. What is it? It's a final piece for the charm bracelet. So this is just all covered in hearts. You see that? So that's our last piece to go on our charm bracelet. So obviously I'll just rearrange these, put these into colours. We've got our 2 necklaces, 6 pairs of earrings. They're all really pretty. I think you'll definitely be seeing pictures of those in my ear rolls very soon. But all in all, at the end of that, I was pleasantly surprised at what we got. So if you've had that advent calendar, or you know someone who has, hopefully they were as pleased as what I was in the end. So let's get this mask off, shall we? I think that's been on there for plenty of time. Mask. Oh. Use the actual mask and massage that into the rest of my skin. Most of that has just soaked right in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Happy New Year. I'll see you all later. Bye.